Keep going ahead now. Remember your speed. This speed is fine, okay? If you go faster, it's more problem. If you go slowly, you are in control. We're turning left in here.
No.
Yeah, so signal left. So it's the first left here.
Yeah.
Always slow down for your approach, so you can take nice turn. Remember your reference. Right mirror check. Right mirror check. And go. Don't speed up, okay? It's 20, 16, 17 is fine. Okay, that's fine. Keep going ahead. End of the road, turn left, please. Good. Little bit to the right, away from this car. But do it slowly. When you're going around, slow go around. And then look around the car as well. She's turning, so we can go. Look again. And then go. Good. Check your right mirror. It's fine. Little bit to the right, that's fine. Do it slowly. Whenever you're changing direction, slow adjustment. Slowly to the right, slowly come to the left, okay? Like on a clock face, like if you are on 1, if you making changing direction only on 2, this much, okay? And don't steer fast. Can you go ahead? Remember your position in middle, because it's a less space, less speed. And we are taking next road on your left. When you see this junction at the crossroad, just slow down.
Took that too fast. I feel like it just goes even when you've not got your foot on anything. Is that...
Yeah, you have to press the brake and slow down. So after the blue car, we're gonna pull up to the left, okay? We'll discuss this, it's fine. Yeah, nice and slow. And we're gonna stop here next to this very slowly, nice and slow. So keep space open for the cars. Come more to the left, that's fine. Okay, park the car, handbrake off and relax. I can still hear the ticking noise. Yeah, so signal off. And now you tell me, so when we did this left turn, that was fine. Your observation really good. You look around, there was car approaching. She was turning left in this road. The other car, he was far, so you just went. That was fine. Next turn, okay. And when we turn here on the left here, what happened?
I felt like I'd slowed right down and then I eased my feet off and it kept like it were just like went fast. It felt like it were.
Yeah, you went to the other side of the lane.
Yeah.
Instead of keeping to the left, like I showed you the reference, keep it on the left, align this mirror with the curb, steer to the left, come in your own lane. You went really fast, you went to the other side, you didn't steer.
Does it like speed? Does it do it itself if you don't press anything?
No, because this is electric car, fast car, where you have to press the brake, reduce your speed, ease off because of the junction.
Yeah, I felt like I'd eased off everything and then it like went up again. And I was like, I need to slow down again.
Yeah, so. it's a crossroad and closed junction. You can't even see, so you slow down more. You early slow down, and slowly you look properly. Look on the left. If it's safe, clear, then come to the left. Remember, align this mirror with the curb
Mm-hmm.
and then steer in the road.
Right.
But keep it then steering to the left, slowly steering to the left, and then come in the road. Don't give gas. When your car is straight, give gas and go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So we're gonna go around again and we'll fix this fault.
Okay.
Don't worry, okay? Just relax.
Okay.
Okay.
Indicate.
Yeah, sure. Always indicate blind spot check. Good, good. Mhm. This is our junction. So when we see the junction, we reduce, we ease off.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is a T junction, really awkward junction. Look at the
Yeah, like even
shape.
when you press my feet, it just goes, doesn't it?
You slow down. You need to slow down. If you touch the brake, it's gonna slow down
Mm-hmm.
like this. Good. This speed is fine. Observation is okay. It's a close T junction and really awkward junction. So keep going ahead. And look at him. Look at his speed. His speed is so slow on the right, this side, because park cars one door away from them, and keep going. That's fine. And we follow the road to the left then. Okay, keep going ahead and then first left, please. Keep in middle, okay? That's good. Next left. So when we see the junction, then we start observation. Start your routine. Good. Observation is fine, speed is okay. That's good. Look at the layout, it's a different junction. That's good. Steer more, good. More to the left. It's fine. Check your right mirror and go. This is okay. Now keep going ahead. Little bit to the right, that's fine. Keep going ahead. The speed is fine. We're gonna go one more round, okay, on same road.
Mm-hmm.
We want to see, I just want to see how you're gonna do it again. So end of the road, left turn please, because this junction is hard,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's so packed up, isn't it?
Did you see the shape as well?
Yes.
Completely different. Okay. The layout is like it's not like a normal junction. Keep going ahead. Keep you to the right, yeah? Away from these cars. That's fine. Yeah, this is fine. Your speed is okay, your turn is okay. Keep going ahead. And then take next road on your left. First one at the crossroad. Good. Good observation, routine is fine. Now we're gonna go ahead and then pull up to the left after the blue car, okay?
Okay.
And this turn, you fix the mistake. Well done, good, okay?
Perfect.
So we're gonna pull up to the left here. car here and handbrake up. Now reflect on your driving, reflect on your turns.
I think that were a lot better.
Yeah.
That one were a lot better.
Yeah.
I felt a lot more just.
And how did you do it?
I just slowed everything down.
How did you how did you make it better this time?
I just made it a lot slower when I was turning corners. It's getting the
So by
braking going round a corner,
so-
you have to slow it down again, don't you? Because if you ease off the brake, it speeds up again, so you've got to slow it down again.
So when you eased off, you find it better.
Yeah, I feel like as soon as I lift my leg off, it then goes again, so I'm like, I need to brake again.
That's
Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you fixed it. Well done. Okay, well done for this. So we're gonna make